Once you plug in Hero, press the center button to get started. If you would like quick guidance on how to use the buttons and screen, press the center button to select yes. Use the arrows to navigate menus and select letters on the keyboard. Use the center button to make a selection. To learn how to use the keyboard, use the arrows to select the word Hi, then move to Done, and select the center button to continue. Select your Wi-Fi network. Use the up and down arrows to scroll to your Wi-Fi network name. Press the center button to select your Wi-Fi network. If you have a password associated, use the arrows to navigate the letters and numbers. Press the center button to select your full password. Navigate to the Done button and press the center button to continue. The Hero device will provide a list of time zones. Use the up and down arrows to find your time zone and press the center button to confirm. Hero will instruct you to continue setup on the Hero app and display a unique connection code. This code will be requested in the Hero app as you continue setup. Download the Hero Health app to your iPhone or Android smartphone. Tap Setup Hero to begin. Enter the 8-digit connection code display on your Hero device screen to connect your app, then tap Next. If you're setting it up for a loved one, refer to the video, How to Set Up Hero for a Loved One. If you're setting it up for yourself, follow these steps. Tap Myself, then tap Next. Fill out all the details to create your Hero account. Then tap Next to continue. You may need to verify your email address to continue. Tap the Confirm Account button to continue setup. Now it's time to add your medication list and schedule. Make sure to review the safety reminders, then tap I understand to start adding your medications. Enter the name of the first medication you'd like to add to Hero. After entering the first 3 letters, matching medication names will be automatically suggested in the drop-down. Tap the medication name that matches yours to continue. After selecting your medication, you will be asked for several medication details, followed by the type of schedule you'd like to set up. Tap Add Schedule to select your schedule type. Tap Add New Time to select the time you would like to take the medication. Use the plus or minus buttons to enter the number of pills you would like the Hero device to dispense at that time. If you take this medication more than once a day, tap the Add Time link to select another time and add pill quantity. Tap Save Schedule to continue. Review the schedule you have created. If you want to add an additional schedule, tap the Add Schedule link and repeat the schedule selection process. When your schedule is finalized, tap Next to continue. After adding your medication and schedule details, you'll be presented with a summary of all the information you have entered. The summary view also offers a few optional settings. Maximum doses per day. You can set a limit of how many additional pills can be dispensed manually within a 24-hour period. Tap the plus or minus buttons to change the quantity. Expiration date. Enter the expiration month and year if you'd like to be notified when expiration date approaches and a refill is needed. Dispense passcode. Hero offers an optional safety measure to protect against unintended dispenses. You can enable a 4-digit passcode, which will be required on the Hero device before dispensing. Note, during initial setup, this option will not be available until a dispense passcode is created via Settings under the More tab. When you've confirmed the medication and schedule details, tap Confirm. Choose Add at the top right to add any additional medications. When done adding all of your medications, tap the Done Adding Medications button to continue. Nice work. Now it's time to set up your preferences. Tap the Next button to continue. Notifications and Preferences. You will be provided a list of app notifications you will receive as a primary user. These particular notifications are enabled for safety purposes. Now let's configure your device preferences. Access to Hero device menus. As an optional safety measure, you can add a digital lock to the device, which will require entering a passcode to access the Hero device menus. Only scheduled dose dispense will be available on the device without any passcode entry. To set a device menu passcode, tap the on-off switch and an overlay will appear. Tap the arrows to create a 4-digit code, then tap Done to create the menu passcode. Medication dispense time window. You can set the time during which medications can be dispensed after their scheduled time. The default is 4 hours, meaning a scheduled dose for 12 p.m. can be dispensed until 4 p.m. Tap the plus or minus arrows to adjust the time window as needed. When you're finished customizing preferences, tap the Next button to continue. If you are using an iOS smartphone, tap the Allow button to allow receiving Hero app notification. Family settings. You may add a partner to support you on your health journey. They will receive a notification if you miss a dose and can help you stay on track. Tap the Add a Partner link. Enter their first name, last name, and email address, then tap Invite to send an email invite to download the Hero app and create their account. Tap Next when finished adding partners. Nice work, you're ready to load medication in Hero. Tap the Next button to start loading pills into the Hero device. The Hero app will provide tips on how to fill each cartridge while you load Hero. Press the center button to begin loading Hero. Hero will prompt you to load a specific medication. Tap the center button when ready. If you would like to add any pill details, such as number of pills added, or expiration date, or both, scroll down to make a selection. If you would like to track exact pill count, navigate down to Add Pill Count, then press the center button twice to enter the amount. Select the amount from the list or use the numbers on the right to enter an amount of pills you're adding to Hero. Use the arrows to navigate to Done, then hit the center button to continue. The door will open. Pinch the tabs on the cartridge to remove it. Fill the cartridge up, then place it back in Hero. Push the bottom tab until you hear a click, then close the door. Repeat for any remaining medication. That's it. You're ready to go. Check the Hero app for confirmation and explore the different sections.